Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question pertaining to log. So let's take a look. So here we have there are positive integers x and y that satisfy the equation log base 10x plus 2 log 10 2 log base 10 greatest common divisor of x comma y equal to 60 and log base 10y plus 2 log base 10 LCM of x comma y equal to 570. Okay. So let m be number of not necessarily discrete prime factors in the prime factorization of x, and let n be the number of not necessarily discrete prime factorization of prime factors of prime factorization of y. Therefore find 3m plus 2n. So let's take a look how we can come about solving this question. So here let x equal to say 10a and y equal to 10b. Okay, so therefore the first equation means this particular equation can be written as log 10 for x we can write 10a plus 2 log 10. So HCF of 10e comma 10b. Okay, so now let equal to 60. Okay, now let's take an example for you to understand. Say 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 2. So if I am looking to find the HCF of the same, so this will be 2 into 5. Again, this will be into 5 square, 2 square into 5 square. So here HCF would simply be 2 into 5. Okay, I hope this is clear, because this is the greatest common divisor, so 10 will simply be the HCF of the same. Okay, so in this case as well, 10 to so this one will be log 10 base log base 10 in 10 to the power 8 would simply be a plus 2. So HCF of 10 to the power 8 10 to the power 8 would simply be 10 log 10, so it will be log base 10 10 or simply 10 to the power a. If I am to simply, because this was 10 to the power 1, so that only came, so here also 10 to the power a. So okay, and let me define one thing so that things are pretty actually clear. In this case, let b be greater than a. Okay, so we are doing on these terms so that the equation actually makes sense. So with that means, so it can be equal to 60 for the written as a plus twice a equal to 60. Therefore 3a equal to 60, where a being 20. Similarly, if we talk about the second equation or this one, what we have here is log base 10, y being 10 to the power b plus 2 log 10 LCM 10 to the power a comma 10 to the power b. Okay, so here we can see, if we take the LCM of this, the LCM would simply be 10 square only. This entire term will be the LCM. So here what we can get is, for the first case we'll have b, and second case log 10 10 to the power b, again b so it will be b plus twice b equal to 3b. Okay, so here 3b will be equal to 570, so b will be equal to 190. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So therefore x would be 10 to the power 20, which can be written as 2 to the power 20 into 5 to the power 20, and y being 10 to the power 90, which can be further written as 190, 2 to the power 190 into 5 to the power 190. Okay, so therefore our answer would simply be, okay, so what we have is m is the number of prime factors. Okay, so what are prime factors in this particular case would be 3. So prime factors would be 20 plus 20 plus 2 would be 190 plus 190, which can be further written as 880, which is our final answer. We basically represented the entire thing in this particular term. Okay, so hopefully this thing is clear to you. The method we adopted while solving this question. It was a fairly simple question. All we have to do was simply substitute the value of x, and then subsequently we can derive the answer from the same. So I'd suggest you go by the video and try to solve this particular question on your own with this video as a reference, so that you can get a better understanding on the same. So with that said, I'm signing off.